लोग लिख लिए हो?
Yes, ma'am.
I think you all have completed. Children, don't leave your work pending. Pending नहीं रखना है वर्क को. Okay, let's start with the revision. Today I told you to revise chapter fiction. ये दोनों चैप्टर आप लोग पढ़ के आए हो?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But don't answer together. सब लोग एक साथ नहीं आंसर करो. Stop it. पीयूष कुमार. Okay. Now let's start the first question. What is source of friction? Who will answer? Aditya Raj. Aditya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
The force between the rolling ball and the ground is known as force of friction.
Okay, ठीक है. Rolling ball. Why are you giving example? अगर इसको
Ma'am, any
general में-
object. Ma'am, any object.
हाँ.
A force between any object and the ground is known as force of
And the
friction.
surface means the movement of the object on any surface, and when it is in contact with each other, then that is known as force of friction. Whatever you have said, that is correct, but it is in context with example. Okay. What is the cause of friction?
Irregularities of the object. Roughness of the object.
Roughness and irregularities of the object.
Surfaces in contact. Object नहीं. अगर मान लो ऑब्जेक्ट बहुत रफ है और उसका सरफेस स्मूथ है, जो एक दूसरे के कांटेक्ट में है, तो फ्रिक्शन विल वर्क ओवर देयर.
No, ma'am.
अगर
No, ma'am.
बहुत और उसका सरफेस जो मूवेबल सरफेस है, दैट इज इफ इट इज वेरी स्मूथ, then friction will not act, or it will be reduced. Friction will be reduced to its minimum extent. Now this we have said that it is the roughness of the surfaces in contact. But if we have to understand what is the cause of friction, then what we can say about it?
When the two surfaces
Interlocking
are put in contact,
between the
their ups
irregularities
and-
of the surface.
their
Very
ups and
good.
downs get interlocked with each other, and
So the interlocking will, जितना ज्यादा interlocking होगा, उतना ज्यादा वो force of friction उसमें applied हो. Now, will the interlocking be in smooth surface, more in smooth surface, or more in rough surface?
more in rough surface.
More in rough surfaces.
Rough surface and
All of
ups
you are
and downs.
understanding.
Rough surface.
हाँ, ठीक है, correct है. Irregularities you all are understanding?
Yes, ma'am. Ups and downs.
Yes, ma'am.
Ups and downs.
Ups and
Ups and downs are known as the irregularities.
Irregularities.
Now tell me the two factors on which the force of friction depends, or force of friction is affected by the two factors.
Nature of the
two
surfaces in
surfaces in
contact.
contact.
Force that
Two
is
surfaces
pressing the
depends
two
on the
surfaces together.
The force of friction depends on the nature of the surfaces in contact.
And
Perpendicular force that is pressing them together.
Perpendicular force pressing the two surfaces together.
Okay, very good. Don't say perpendicular. It can be in the horizontal direction also. जितना जिसका वेट हो जाएगा, यहाँ हम लोग मास से भी बात करेंगे ना, अगर वेट ज्यादा होगा तो फोर्स प्रेस करेगा ना उस ऑब्जेक्ट का, तो
Yes,
इट इज
ma'am.
नॉट ओनली
Yes,
परपेंडिकुलर.
ma'am.
ये कोई
In any
जरूरी नहीं है
direction.
कि वो परपेंडिकुलर डायरेक्शन. You can say force pressing the two surfaces together. What are the main two types of friction? What are the main two types of friction?
Static friction and
static
sliding
friction
friction.
or sliding friction.
Friction and sliding.
Static and sliding or kinetic.
Static and sliding friction.
Kinetic don't say. Static and sliding friction are the main two friction. Then, when the object is starting its motion, which type of friction will work at that time?
Limiting force of friction.
Limiting
Limiting force of
friction will work over there.
Limiting force of friction. Friction.
This limiting force of friction will be greater if the object is at rest or if the object is already in motion.
If the object is at rest.
Yes.
Object is at rest.
तो हर चीज को कोरिलेट करो कि प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन से, कोरिलेट इट विद द प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन, दैट व्हाट वी आर अंडरस्टैंड, उससे क्वेश्चन आपको जरूर आएगा. और जो फैक्टर्स आपके बुक में दिया हुआ है, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दोस फैक्टर्स व्हिच आर गिवन इन ब्रॉड बोल्ड लेटर्स. वो फैक्टर्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, उसी पर बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आता है. Now a simple application, give one example where we simply apply the rolling friction. In our
While
day-to-day
moving a
life.
loaded
Wheels
cart.
of a car.
While moving a loaded cart.
Moving a loaded car.
Rolling a ball. Rolling a football along with that.
Day-to-day life में rolling friction का क्या काम है? How does it reduce our effort?
Rolling the suitcases with wheels.
Yes, wheels is a very important one, and rolling
Yes,
the
ma'am.
our luggage, because nowadays we are having luggage that is having wheels in it. So when we roll it, our burden reduces, our weight reduces on our body. For just to prove that rolling friction is less than sliding friction, what experiment can we do? Which experiment you can do?
We can
That
put
rolling,
a
which will
box,
prove that rolling friction
a
is
box
less
on pencil.
A luggage carrying a trolley can be moved in two ways. In first, without wheels, that is in sliding friction, and second, that is with wheels in rolling friction. We would see that in the rolling friction, the force applied would be very much less as compared to the sliding friction.
Okay, ठीक है. This is also correct, but I told you experiment. तो experiment में कौन सा ज़्यादा appropriate होगा?
Keeping a
Concentrate
box
on
on the
question.
pencil.
Yes, we will take a. So you
Wooden
can say
block.
take a number of pencils which have got a rounded surface, and then you will attach it with the wooden box and place some weight. Then we will see that in sliding friction, when the pencil was not in the pencil surface was not in the rounded form, then we had to apply more weight as compared to the pencils which are having rounded shape. जिसका rounded shape होगा उस pencil पर अगर आप experiment करोगे, then you will see that the weight difference will be there. जितना आप weight apply कर रहे हो इसको slide करने के लिए, उससे कम weight में आपका वो pencil roll करने लगेगा. This experiment is given in your book in a elaborate way, then we can shorten it and we can tell in our own word. Okay, according to the question.
Ma'am.
Why do we say that friction is a necessary evil? क्यों बोलते हैं हम लोग friction एक necessary evil है? Or how can you prove by any example?
Many of our day-to-day
Many of our day-to-day activity are depend on friction. That is, while walking we need friction, while writing we need friction. That is why we call friction a necessary evil.
Yes, ठीक है. Day to day we are using friction. Then what happens that we call it evil? उस walking में क्या होता है जो हम उसको evil कहते हैं?
Because it is
There
friction
is
between
a-
the ground and our
some
feet that
in
enables us
some
to walk.
cases, friction causes
The-
a wastage of energy and damages moving parts of the machine. Therefore, it is harmful also as an evil.
Friction is responsible for a lot of wear and tear of a moving part or object.
Yes, friction is responsible for a lot of wear and tear. Yes, that answer I wanted. यही आपको वर्ड बोलना है ताकि आप जब कॉपी में आंसर लिख रहे हो, at one glance the examiner understands that what is the fact the student is knowing. Clear? आप कहीं भी यूज करते हो friction, there is a lots of wear and tear. While working on a machine, while walking with your foot, you see that your shoes get wear out, then the stairs get wear out. जहाँ रेलवे प्लेटफॉर्म पर जहाँ लाखों लोग चलते हैं, there also we see that there is wear and tear. Okay, then tell me or give me few examples where we use friction as a necessity.
Walking on a ground,
walking on a ground, we
While
need
walking,
friction.
walking on a ground.
rolling,
for
performing
right-
small
rolling.
day-to-day
For
activities.
road-
Rolling for performing day-to-day activities.
Fixing a nail on the wall.
Writing with a pen.
हाँ, yes,
Still.
ठीक है. Fixing
Chalk,
a nail.
writing with the chalk on the
walking also.
blackboard.
हाँ, writing on the blackboard. These all are your day-to-day activities that we are depending on the friction. Now give examples where friction is a nuisance.
A significant an amount of energy which is supplied to the machinery can gets wasted in the form of heat energy while overcoming the force of friction.
ठीक है. Lots of wear tear जो अभी हम लोग बोले हैं, worn out staircases, then friction opposes the relative motion. These all are the wastage of energy and it can be called as a evil. Then what are the methods of increasing friction? Friction को increase करने का क्या-क्या methods हैं?
To increase irregularities
the-
of the
To
object.
increase
Proving
the
and trading.
irregularities and proving and
Proving and
trading.
trading.
Increasing
By polishing the object.
irregularities, ups and downs, and roughness of the surface.
How will you increase the ups and downs? कैसे करोगे? वो तो बताओ. जो day-to-day life में जो example है. Tell that.
Like gymnasts apply some
While
soft
like-
powder on their hands to
Of a
increase the
Using
friction.
by using spikes or grooving the shoes.
Kabaddi
Yes.
players rub their hands with soil for having better grip on their opponents too.
Yes. And then in the snowy area, people throw sand and chains, metal chains, wrap metal chains on their tires so that the
We also
friction is
use
increased and the grip of the vehicles is better. So just recall your all your things that you have studied. Then
sportsmen also use
grooves
shoes fitted
also.
with spikes.
yes, and grooves also made in grooves are made in the tires just to increase the friction. Then what are the methods of reducing friction? Friction
polishing
Polishing.
and
Guys,
lubrication
smoothing the
and
surface
ball
of
bearing.
smoothing the surface of the
Ball bearing.
Polishing,
particle say contact.
Ball bearing
lubrication and ball bearing.
Lubrication,
and ball bearing.
lubrication and
ball
polishing.
bearing,
Using grease.
polishing,
Polishing.
Polishing
Okay,
and
what is this
lubrication.
lubrication? What are the
polish,
lubricants that
lubrication,
we
ball
use?
bearing.
Lubrication, ball bearing.
हाँ ठीक है, lubrication, ball bearing, polishing, these all are. Then do you understand what is lubrication? Lubrication क्या है ये
Yes,
समझ में आता
applying
है?
grease or
Reducing
oil on
friction
something to reduce
with
the
the
friction.
help of
The method of
Oil or
reducing
grease
friction.
on
when put on a surface.
reducing
Oil,
friction
grease or
with the help of liquids.
with the help of oil
The
and
method of
Dissolve
reducing
friction.
friction with the
Can
help
reduce
of
the
oil
force
like
of friction
substance like
between the two
grease.
surfaces in contact
oil,
is called
grease, I
lubrication.
understand. Then tell me about the highly speedy car. What is the lubricant used over there?
Grease.
oil,
Grease.
petrol,
Grease.
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 कार
Grease,
में मूवमेंट के लिए, कार का स्पीड मूवमेंट के लिए, बहुत स्पीड वाला कार है, उसका लुब्रिकेंट कौन सा होगा?
Grease.
Compressed and purified
Grease.
air.
Compressed and purified air can
grease.
मैम वो तो होवर
ये भी याद रखो कि जब रेसर कार होता है, होवरक्राफ्ट होता है, वहां पर एयर जो होता है हाईली प्यूरिफाइड होता है फॉर मूविंग द just these car in such a high speed. If that lubrication is not there, that type of air is not there, then you will see that the friction is not reduced and the car might have accident या वो ये हो सकता है turnover हो सकता है, it can be turned over. So dust free environment should be there. Then ball bearings are used in, ball bearings कहाँ use किया
machinery
जाता है?
part.
machines.
Dynamo,
Cycle.
shaft or motor.
We use ball bearing in shaft motors.
In cycle also.
ठीक है, साइकिल है, मोटर्स है, डायनेमो है, एक्सल ऑफ व्हीकल्स है. सो यू लिसन, अगर आप आंसर क्वेश्चन पढ़ोगे तो स्पेसिफाइड आंसर देना है. Where is the ball bearing used? If you are using telling cycle also, then it's okay. But you have to mention it. You will say machine.
Yes, ma'am.
There are so many machine which is used without ball bearing ones.
Have machinery parts.
No. खाली
Motors,
machinery part
dynamos
नहीं
है.
बोलना है. आपको
Motors,
particularly
dynamos,
mention करना है. ठीक है? What is fluid friction?
The force of friction exerted on an
By
object
air.
by fluids like air or water.
Yes. Friction which is exerted in the air and water is known as fluid friction. What are the factors they are present on what factors does this fluid friction depend upon?
Nature of the
Nature
fluid.
Nature of the fluid,
Nature of the
moving
fluid,
object.
Shape
the
of
moving
object.
object, the moving object,
Speed of the
the area of contact, shape of moving object is a
Nature of the fluid, shape of the moving
with,
object, and speed of the moving
respect
object with respect to the fluid.
Okay. Then what are streamlined bodies? The streamlined bodies किसको बोलते हैं?
The special shaped bodies are called streamlined
That is-
bodies. That is to reduce.
That is
increase
given
the
to
friction.
overcome the fluid friction.
drag between a fluid and an object moving
increase
through
the
that
friction.
fluid.
fluid and an
In which objects do we see this streamlined
Uh,
bodies?
Aeroplane,
Aeroplane.
ship,
Aeroplanes,
uh,
racing cars and ships.
Aeroplane.
Glacier cars.
Aeroplane, sheep,
Birds.
bird.
bird,
birds,
They show,
Racing cars.
racing cars, they show streamlined bodies. Then if we crumble a paper and if we take a paper sheet, we drop both of them in a container having water, which will move with a greater speed.
Crumble sheet of paper.
Crumbled sheet of paper.
crumbled sheet of paper
Crumbled
because it
sheet
has
of
lot of
papers.
irregularities.
Why will this happen?
Because the
Because it
crumbled
has a
paper has
less
a lot
Because
of
fluid friction
irregularities in
depends on the
It has a less friction.
nature of the object.
And shape of the
less area of
moving object.
contact.
So the area of contact is less in crumbled paper. That is why it will move more fast. Okay. And appropriate reason dena mat bhulna. If you know, then you should give the appropriate reason. ये नहीं कि लिखने में आपको कभी भी कमजोर नहीं होना चाहिए. पेपर जब आंसर कर रहे हो तो टू द पॉइंट लिखो और रीजन हमेशा दो, so that it is understood that you are knowing the fact. Clear? आप जान रहे हो और आप लिखोगे नहीं, तो the examiner is not knowing that you are knowing the answer. Reason you are knowing. तो रीजनिंग क्वेश्चन में हमेशा इम्पोर्टेंट रेलेवेंट रीजंस देना है जो बुक में मेंशन्ड है. क्लियर? ये हमेशा ध्यान रखिएगा आप लोग.
Yes, ma'am.
Now here in this topic, any problem to anybody? किसी को भी कोई प्रॉब्लम है इस टॉपिक में अभी तक जो हम लोग रिवाइज किए?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. ठीक है. Then we will turn to sources of energy. Sources of energy. Then what are fuels? Fuels क्या है?
The substances
The substance which
produce
produce heat and burning in air are called fuels.
Heat and energy.
The substance which produce heat on burning in air are
The
called fuels.
substances which produce heat on burning in
energy
air
in
are
burning.
called fuels.
Substance which produce heat and burning in air and called fuels.
Okay, very good. Then what is the classification of sources of energy according to occurrence?
Natural sources.
Natural sources.
Natural sources, synthetic
Natural
sources.
sources and man-made sources.
Sources.
Natural and
Define
synthetic
natural
sources.
sources.
Sources which are obtained from natural environment are called natural sources, like solar energy, tidal energy, wind energy, etc.
Then synthetic sources.
Synthetic sources are the sources of energy which are man-made using material like
Source of energy and
like the
not
batteries
man-made.
used in calculators and watches,
Resources.
etc.
For
Synthetic source
example,
of energy.
Then according to physical state, sources can be sources of energy can be classified into
Solid, liquid, and gas.
Solid, liquid, and gas.
Solid, liquid, and gas.
Solid, liquid, gas.
solid, liquid,
Three
gas.
states of matter.
Solid,
In the three states of matter, solid, liquid, and
give example of solid, liquid, and gas.
gas. Solid,
Firewood.
Coal are example of solid fuels.
Solid
Kerosene,
fuels.
petrol, and diesel are liquid.
Petrol and diesel,
petroleum gas.
petroleum gas, LPG,
LPG are the
CNG are example of
gaseous
gaseous
fuel.
fuels.
an example of
ठीक है. Solid, firewood, charcoal, coal. Liquid, kerosene, petrol. Then diesel, gas, petroleum gas, LPG, and CNG. These are the examples. Now, according to availability, sources of energy is divided into
renewable and non-renewable resources.
Sources and non-renewable
Renewable
resources.
resources.
Sources, non-renewable and renewable.
Renewable and non-renewable.
Inexhaustible and exhaustible resources.
yes. What are its example?
Inexhaustible resource like
Hydropower,
sun, mass, mass,
solar
cannot
energy,
be
unrenewable charcoal,
unrenewable.
petroleum, natural gas.
Fossil fuels, petroleum.
that can
natural gas,
replenish
and coal.
itself over a short period of time.
Okay, very good. Chalo, next. What are fossil fuels?
Fossil fuels are the fuels which are formed over a long period of time.
Fuel
The plant and material that are very deep under the surface of earth changes
It's
into
over a
other
million
fossil
of
fuels.
years.
over a period of million of years.
Yeah.
Once
When the
again,
plants and animals-
एक
when the
बच्चा
plants
बोलो
and-
इसको ठीक से.
When the plants and animals appear deep under the surface of earth,
The
they get
remains of
decomposed
dead
by
plants and animals.
When the plants and animals are buried deep under the surface of earth, they get decomposed over a long period of time by the pressure of rocks and soils and get converted into fossil fuels.
Don't say pressure, soil, action of heat and pressure. ऐसे बोलिए, action of heat and pressure. These dead and decaying plants and animals turn into this fossil fuel over a period of million years. Long wait
Okay, ma'am.
period, very long. Okay. Okay, then why should not we use wood as a fuel? क्यों नहीं use करना चाहिए?
Because it produces a lot of smoke, which causes air pollution.
Okay, very good. And what harm does it do to the health?
It when it burns,
It
it
can
produces
cause
carbon
breathing
dioxide and breathing problems and
Is
suffocation.
undesirable, irritating, or dangerous gas.
Yes,
Uh,
very good.
suffocating gas.
carbon
it
monoxide
produces-
can prove to be a fatal.
That's what I wanted, that you all come to that point. That carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide gases are very dangerous, irritating, and it may lead to death also. And
global warming
बहुत ज़्यादा जब produce होगा तो. And cause severe diseases, इस तरह से आप लोग लिख सकते हो इसको. Then, how is coal formed? How is coal formed?
Coal was
What
formed
can
from
we
the
say
Plants
about
and
the
animals
carbon?
formed deep under the surface of earth. The chemical and physical properties of
The
the
remains
plant
of plants.
changes into geological actions that led to the creation of the solid material that is called coal.
Then where is the these coal mines available?
झारखंड मध्य
In
प्रदेश उड़ीसा एंड वेस्ट बंगाल
Odisha, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh.
Bokaro and
Jharkhand.
Jharia in
Odisha,
Jharkhand and Raniganj in West Bengal.
in West Bengal.
What is carbonization?
The
The
process of conversion of dead plant
Conversion of
material
dead
into
coal is
coal
called
is called
Plant materials into
Conservation
coal.
Process of conversion of dead plants materials into coal is called.
the process of conversion of dead plant material into coal is called carbonization.
material into coals.
It's called
Okay. What
carbonization.
are the different types of coal?
Peat,
Peat,
lignite,
lignite,
bituminous, and
It-
anthracite.
Heat, lignite, bituminous,
anthracite,
anthracite.
lignite.
and anthracite.
What is destructive distillation?
The process of strong heating of
On heating of coal in the
products like
absence
coal
of air
to
is
gas.
called destructive distillation.
In the absence of air is called
Strong heating of coal in the absence of air is called destructive distillation.
process of strong
Okay.
heating of coal in the absence of air.
What are the different types of you can say substances produced by this destructive distillation?
Coke, coal tar,
Coal gas,
Okay.
tar, and coke.
Gas.
coke.
What is the composition of water gas? Composition of
CO
water
plus
gas.
H2.
Yes.
CO plus
CO plus
H2.
H2. What is the use of coal gas?
It is an inflammable
used
gas.
as
It is used in a domestic
as domestic
fuel
fuel
and as an
industrial fuel.
Those fuels.
It is an inflammable gas.
Coal gas is an inflammable gas. It is used as a domestic fuel, as an industrial fuel, and usually only for those industries which are located near coal processing units.
What is crude oil?
The petroleum.
Dark
It is a
colored
dark
viscous
colored
foul-smelling
viscous
liquid.
Dark colored viscous or and smelling liquid.
Dark
It is
colored
a
viscous
dark
foul-smelling,
colored
commonly known as this oil is commonly called crude oil.
This crude, what is the other name given to this crude oil?
rock oil.
Rock oil.
Petroleum.
Rock oil.
Petroleum,
Petroleum.
crude oil, they all are same. Why do
Black
we call petroleum as liquid gold?
Due to its great
Great
Due
commercial
to its great
importance.
commercial importance.
Petroleum has often been liquid.
due to its
At
great
what layer,
commercial
at what
importance.
depth does the petroleum is expected to be found?
It is
500 to
expected to be found
2000
between
meters.
the natural
100 meter to 2000 meter.
500 meter to 2000.
500 meter to
500.
2000 meter. 500 meter to 2
Between
kilometer.
Now, children, sometimes the question comes that name some residual oil and give its uses. So you can
Asphalt,
Expect
Asphalt and paraffin gas.
Lubricating oil.
Lubricating oil. Asphalt, residual, or sorry,
Learn its
lubricating oil and
uses.
paraffin gas.
What is this used for? Asphalt?
Asphalt is
It
used
is
for,
a
it is a
black
black sticky solid. It is
Making
used
road
for
and
making
coating the
roads and
underside
coating
of
the
the
underside of
electric
electric poles to prevent their rusting.
electric poles to prevent their rusting.
Okay. What about the use of paraffin wax?
it is
It
used
is
for
often
making
used as a
Used for
grease.
making
It is used for
Vaseline
making
and
Vaseline, ornaments, and candles.
used for making Vaseline, ointments, and
What is the full form of CNG?
Compressed natural
natural gas.
natural gas.
compressed natural gas.
Why should we, this question is, keeping in mind their availability in nature, explain the need of using coal and petroleum judiciously.
Coal is a readily combustible black rock or a brownish sedimentary rock. It is one of the fuels that has been used for cooking food. But due to its commercial importance, petroleum has often been called the liquid or black gold. For our future and present day energy needs, we need to look for the alternative sources such
Petroleum
as
is
solar.
called as liquid gold.
Yes, ma'am.
Liquid gold. हाँ, ठीक है. आगे बोलो.
We need to look for alternative sources such as solar and tidal energy. This will help to protect the environment and reduce the risk of global warming. Further, fossil fuels are then more likely to be available for the future generations.
Okay, correct. ठीक है. इसको थोड़ा अपने मन से भी लिख सकते हो. State the main advantages of using natural gas.
It produces less amount,
It
more
produces
amount of heat
Burn
energy,
readily and has a high
pollutant.
less amount of ash,
It is used as a metal and cleaner fertilizer. This included in manufacturing fertilizers chemicals.
In the manufacture of fertilizer.
It has a moderate ignition
It has a
temperature.
fewer emissions than coal and petroleum product. Also, it leaves no ash particles after burning. It has a high calorific value.
That is also correct, but you
transportation is
will
cheap.
also write it in a much more appropriate way. जैसे कि calorific value is high. This fuel is used in home and industries. It is a cleaner.
It is cheap
Cleaner
in
fuel,
transportation and
greener
easy to store.
It is easy to
Pardon?
carry or store.
Least amount, it produces least
It has
amount
a
of harmful gases.
It has a
Okay,
moderate
children.
ignition temperature.
Virtually no ash particles after burning.
Many
Many
more.
more.
We have done the revision. All of you, please go through it once again. And in the next class, I will let you know which chapter we will start. ठीक है? Okay. Anything
Okay,
you
ma'am.
want to ask? कुछ और पूछना है आपको?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you,
ठीक है?
ma'am.
Thank you.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.